Hello everybody, welcome. This is a small project we are doing here for chicken coop. It's a raised one from the ground using treated cedar, well seasoned timber for the floor. Right at the where you can see that level is where you have an entrance door. Up there you shall have sectioned resting areas and a comfortable run. That's my guy Vinny. We shall have an aluminium roofing slanting towards the back. Yeah, that's about today. Thank you all.